Hello, welcome to Global Project Control Free Primavera P6 Fundamental webinar. This is our first workshop subjected to our free webinar which held on 6 to 8 of November 2020. In this workshop, we will discuss about how to build a project. As I told you, I sent 3 projects to all of you for this workshop. In this workshop, I'm going to create the one of 3 project by my own, and at the end we will solve the question at the end of each project and create the output. And after that, if you have a question, I'm ready for further clarification. This is the practice file number 1. I open the project number 2. And this is my software Primavera P6, and I'm going to create a new project on my live VPS. Now I should obtain the plan project start. So I check the any assumption for my project start in 1st of January 2021. So I apply it on my project. I have no further assumption in this stage. Okay, that is my project. I'm open it. And go to activity sheet. I face it with blank project. But when you want to create a project, it's up to you to start by activities or by WBS. But I decided to start with WBS. This is my WBS. I don't have any hierarchy right now. I'm indenting a chart, but I should build this hierarchy. The project is level 1. After that, in this level, I have management. I'm copy and paste. Use copy and paste and add procurement. In when you add new WBS software, build it in a child of the root, but you can level it in the true hierarchy. I add a column in this child of procurement. Management again, construction is 1.3. So if I add another one, and I need to change the level of construction 3, and column foundation, column foundation 1.31, 1.31. PRC-02 mean 1. This is my WBS code, and you can find it over here. Okay, my WBS is finished. I'm going to come back to activity sheet. Actually, I'm not I cannot see any WBS in these activities, because if I'm going to group and sort and unchecked hide if empty, my WBS going to be visible. Now I'm only want to add my activity. I use copy, select the WBS and use add. This is my activity ID, and this is my activity name. Add the next. That's it. And for procurement in column, I select inquiry preparation, inquiry issuance. You can use insert instead of use new item. I add some activities. Technical clarification, add new one, TB issuance, bit close, CB issuance, vendor selection, PO issuance, PO effective, manufacturing, inspection, shipment, custom clearance. Maybe you ask me why I didn't set up the activity ID, because I want to use activity ID renumbering. Okay, If you watch this activity ID, these are same up to this character. So I can use copy, going to my activities, go for activity ID renumbering, then I use autofill, then this is my prefix, but what is the increment value is 2. If you find the relationship between your activity ID, you can use auto numbering, and that's it. I use it again, I forgot, suffix from 1, that's my activity ID. Okay, I'm go for column foundation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 6 activities. Excavation, bar bending. I only enter the activity names. After that, I use copy, then paste. And my project finish is related to my management. So I add this, but I use copy and paste it to my management. And what is the same criteria for this activity ID? Like above, copy, select my activities, use renumbering, paste, suffix start from 31, increment value is 2, that's good. That's all you need. Okay? Also, my project finish is related to my management according to my WBS. I use copy for project finish, finish procurement, start project, and management. Okay, now I should change my activities type. This is my activity type. This is my activity type. The management is a start milestone. I need to know the activity name too. So let me to rearrange Okay. Project start is milestone, start milestone. Activity type is start milestone. Management is level of effort. I change it to the level of effort. And all of columns is task dependent. All of these are task dependent. Up to finish procurement is finish milestone. Finish procurement is finish milestone. And management is finish milestone 2. Oh, pardon. Finish project is finish milestone 2. Finish project is finish milestone 2. That's all you need. Now I want to shape my project by duration. Okay, I'm read this and update my duration. Before I update it to the duration, I should check my assignment. Each time you want to use duration, please be careful about your calendar, because if you change your calendar, your duration will be changed. For instance, 10 days in 5 work week calendar is totally different with 10 days in 7 work week day calendar. So I'm going to find the calendar. This is my calendar, global calendar, 7-day work week. That's fine. I should check my project calendar. My activities calendar is 7 work week, and you can check it over here in a default. When you select your project, this is my project, you can set up your default value in your project. My default calendar is 7-day work week. My duration type is fixed duration and unit, and my percent complete task is duration. That's all I need. Perfect. Okay, let's continue. I want to update my proposal receive to the 15 days. Next. Sort it according to my activity ID. Okay. Next technical clarification is 10 days. 5, 5, 5. Vendor selection according to my sample file is 2 days. And PO issuance is 2 days too. PO effective date is 15 days. And manufacturing is 180. Inspection 60. 20 for shipment. 20 for custom clearance. And delivery is only 3 days. But what about my construction activity? 5 days for excavation is good. 10 days for wall bending, 5 days for filling, 3 days for concreting, 2 days for growth. That is all I need. Now I want to update my relationship. I don't need to know what is my WBS, but I need to know what is my activity ID and my predecessor. This is my project start. My project start link to my management. Select the management relationship tab and use assign. This dialog box open and I link it to the project start. If I use this icon, this icon color become change and this icon color become red when the assignment is completed by software. That's it. You can assign it twice. The software assign it to the activity twice, but the first one is finish to start, but the second one is a start to start. Okay, I don't need the second one. I remove it from my software. Okay, let's do continue. Inquiry preparation, link to my management. So I select the management from this dialog box, select the inquiry preparation and assign it. Okay, inquiry issuance. I select inquiry issuance, link to inquiry preparation according to this. So I select inquiry preparation and push this icon. That's it. But as you see, from this activity to this activity, let me to mark it. All of these activity have a finish to a start relationship. So I can select this activity to shipment. Go to my project, select up to shipment, go to edit menu and use link activities. I told you these activities become linked by finish to start relationship by software automatically. Let's what happened to our project. Finish to start to TB, all of my activity link. But what happened to my custom clearance? I need to link it to the shipment according to this activity ID, a start to start relationship with 10 days lag. So I add shipment to this, but I change the relationship to start and I import 10 days lag. And delivery to site. Delivery to site is finish to start for custom clearance. Let me to select the custom clearance. This is the first relationship. You can see it over here. But the second relationship is related to my shipment. Both of these relationship are finished to start. So I select the shipment 2 and add a relationship to this activity. And my procurement finish related to my delivery at site. So I find the procurement finish procurement, I select it and delivery at site. That's it. Let's to complete my activities in a site. My site activities link for finish to start. As you see over here, on one of them has another relationship with one of my other activities. So let me to link excavation first. My excavation link to my inspection. So I select the inspection and select the excavation on above and assign it my excavation link. Then I select excavation to the grouting. Use these tools again. Link activities. Wait for a moment up to the software link my activities. That's finished. As you see, all of my activity linked. And my final part of predecessor assignment is finish project linked to my LOE. This is my finish project and my finish project linked to my grouting. So I find it. Also my finish project linked to this activity. I use okay. I think I have a mistake for activity ID assignment. I should change it to the yes. I should I have a mistake. Okay, that's fine. And now I want to schedule my project. I use a schedule. That is my project. These activities level of effort show me the duration based off the relationship. Okay. All I need is to answer the question. How long is the project duration? This is the project duration is 342 days, 342 days. Project critical pad in PDF. We talk about filter. I go to filter and use critical, use apply, then I push OK button and I'm Control P. This is my critical path for my project and use a PDF. This is my PDF file for my critical path. I use save. This is my question number 2. Rename it to the Q2. Close it. I mark it. Task dependent activity in a PDF file. Okay. If you want to change the column in your PDF file, you can set up over here. If I use up to start in a PDF creation, you can find it only up to start. Okay, if I want to filter my activity type, equal to my task dependent. Use OK, and that is all of my task dependent activity in my project. I think okay. I think maybe it's the glitch of software. Vendor selection duration is extended by software. Okay. This is the filter of task dependent activities. If you find it, this Gantt chart is not true, but it is true. Gantt chart, correct. First I remove the wrong one, and this is question 3. And now I'm going to filter level of effort activity in PDF. I going to activity type filter again and select the level of effort. This is my level of effort activities in a filter. By this question, I'm trying to uh, learn you how to use your filter in software. Filter is a very important part of your work with software because many of your answer during the project available in the filters. So if you learn it very good, you can uh, work with software easily. Please filter activities after 15th of January 2021. This is the date filter. I am going to filter again. Start is greater than 15th of January. First I should apply it. This is my filter for activities after January 2021. Question 5. How long is the construction duration? Let me to check my software. I should remove the filter. I use all activities. And my construction is 25 days. 25 days. How long is the procurement duration? Procurement duration is 342. 342 days. Okay, my first project created, and you can do the same for sample file 1 and 3. If you face it with any problem, I'm available for further information. Project number 3, a bit more complex than the 1 and 2. So please start by the first one and then go to project number 3. I hope this workshop would be useful for you.